Hey, I'm gonna be Frank here. I'm Frank. Uh, Movie hacking is really dumb. Like, really, really dumb. This is what a professional uses. I'm not saying I'm a professional programmer. I'm just saying that this is what they use. Kind of like how you don't eat. It's kind of like how you don't eat bugs off the street or drink soda from a broken glass on the side of the pavement. You wouldn't use a bare bones text editor. You wouldn't use something that is a single color. Yeah, in hacking, it's always like, or in movie hacking or movie programming, it's always like, hee hee, console. I type in console. And then stuff happens. No, it's not like that at all. Let me show you something. This. You use stuff from bigger corporations, bigger things that already have everything out there. Stuff that you wouldn't waste your time programming. It's not like you're going to have to write a whole OS to make to make a program that exploits a 0-day. I mean, you shouldn't do it in the first place, but in movies it's just absurd. Like, I hack into government. I am perfect, I make no error. And if it's like outputting to a console, that's fine, but there are so many dumb keywords they use in movies to make it sound convincing. And I'm not saying all movies, I'm just saying some movies think hacker programming, internet, when it's really not. It's just the worst interpreter. It's the worst interpreted thing for a program. I mean, lots of programmers love pretty sorted out things like this. I can testify to that. Because this is readable. It's human readable. If it wasn't meant to be human readable, then why would humans be doing it? And yet in movies, it's like, oh, let me just, oh. And another thing is, you don't see people going to Stack Overflow. It's like, oh yes, I know every single bit of every computer language because I read it in a book. No, stuff updates. You don't have everything written down completely in some book or from your ancient guru that you learned programming from. And another thing is, I don't get why people go to programming gurus. Like, learn it yourself. It's as easy as going to here. I learned via something called boom. Free as an interpreter. You can sign in as Python 3, C++, Java, as question stuff. But besides that, I'm not endorsed by SoloLearn. I just picked it up 3 years ago, and here I am doing stuff for money. doing stuff for like hundreds of dollars. That's pretty cool. So if you actually want to learn programming because it looks cool, don't learn programming. Well, I mean, I'm saying if it looks cool just like something to have, you won't be able to do you won't be able to do okay? That's not how programming works, and I don't get why movies are doing it. Like, come on.